Your government's also issued today a circular to increase the fees available to board members of Crown entities, some by up to 80%. Why have you increased it by so much?
Yeah, look, historically what's happened is that the public sector director fees have got completely out of whack compared to private sector fees. Obviously, we will never pay as much as someone in the private sector, but when you're spending $32 billion on healthcare, for example, it's important that we actually are able to attract really good governors of say, the Health New Zealand Board, for example. So, this is just acknowledging that we need to make sure that we can attract good people. It's really important, given the huge amounts of money that we're spending, that it's well governed, well maintained, and it's just, while we'll never ever pay what's in the private sector, the reality is we need to do better than what we have been doing.
Many other New Zealanders would have got an 80% pay increase over the
No,
last
I fully understand it, but actually when you're spending $32 billion, as I said, in healthcare, and we have got so out of whack by not lifting fees over a long period of time, we need to make sure that we've got a competitive enough offering to be able to attract good people that we know can make a huge difference and can actually generate huge value for money and savings as a consequence of having good board and good directors on board.
What's your message to someone who's struggling with the cost of living right now, knowing that you're going to increase the pay of board members?
Well, our message is pretty clear. It's exactly what we've just been talking about now with both Nicola and I in our remarks, which is that we are ruthlessly clear about lowering the cost of living for New Zealanders.